Alright guys, we are back with another video. Today we are going to be putting a deck on the John boat. But first, we have to clean up this terrible, a lot of stuff that needs swept up, everything dust. So, we're just going to set you up and clean this up.
We've got the boat ready to be worked on.
So what I did was I took the pins out of here, and then I cut that board on a slant, like slanted this way and that way. So yeah, that was kind of hard. Took a while, and now it's screwed in, and now I just cut some boards to go like that. You can see that right there, and then go from there that way. So I think I might put like a little hatch thing here so I can put like tackle boxes in and stuff. It's kind of cool. So I don't know. Then I'm not sure if we're gonna put a deck back there yet. It might take too much time. Probably just put a front deck on for now, and then we will put a back deck on, maybe, if it's not too heavy. So we'll catch you guys the next day we work on it. And then this screws right here. There. Other side. All right, it is day 2 on the boat project. Got the other piece cut. And we're just gonna install that, and then we're gonna start building this part then. So yeah, stay tuned, it's gonna be a good one.
We were just trying to work something out and nail everything together, and then the board started flying apart, and we just decided we're just gonna start over out there.
Gonna redo the whole thing, take off all the wood. We already cut some good lumber, so we're just gonna change everything that was junk to make this thing banger.
We got the boat pretty much finally all figured out. With the new wood.
Yes, sir.
And it is very cool here, as you can see. We're pretty much putting the last pieces, and
dude, it looks 50 times better.
We actually kind of figured out a new plan. Like, it's not just like all jacked up. Like, yeah.
What we did was, we had the whole thing. This one was running the whole way up to the front, which we're not doing that. So we're just gonna do like we're just gonna do a short piece from here to there. This isn't it, but it's gonna go like that, like this.
You're gonna see a lot of this boat this summer. Of us in lakes, fishing, slamming
the largies. Subscribe, because this is about to be some really good content coming out, because we have a lot of videos. We have a couple videos lined up. Look at those beautiful cuts. That's better than
factory done.
Factory done. Right, so
Just an update.
Just an update. Saturday morning. Pretty beautiful morning if you ask me. Anyways. So I lined the whole thing with plastic. And now we're just carpeting it.
That's the.
Alright, do all that.
You guys right? Wow, this thing has just jumped from garbage to pretty good.
Yeah, so that piece goes right in here. So I'm gonna have the trolling motor on it, which is this piece right here. That's gonna go right there. So, it's like 1,000,000 pounds. So I don't know. It might not work. So we're gonna test it out today. So stay tuned. All right, and we're done. So we just got the boat all carpeted. Looks like crap here in the front. I didn't know what else to do, so I just did that. So it's not moving. So yeah, let's take it out in the water and see what it can do.
Look what happened, guys. We have just got it in the water. Boom! We finally got it into the water.
This is literally so solid.
Well, we just got back and from out of the water from fishing. Unfortunately, did not catch any fish. We got 2 bites, but it's still so cold. Our feet are about freezing, and Tommy is currently sick, so he didn't want to do an outro with me. So, yeah. And the cat is currently getting a ride. So, hopefully we can do more videos, and hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video, because we did not enjoy making it.
What?
And yeah, we'll catch you guys next time. Oh yeah, subscribe. Catch you next time.